Want to control OBS Studio right from your phone? Yeah, in this video I'll show you how to connect OBS Blade to OBS Studio, so you can switch scenes, start recordings, control audio, and more, all from your mobile device. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, make sure you're using a recent version of OBS Studio. OBS Studio already includes the built-in WebSocket feature, so you don't need to install any extra plugin. Open OBS, then click Tools and choose WebSocket Server Settings. Next, enable the WebSocket server if it isn't already turned on. Leave the default port unless you've changed it before, and create or confirm the server password. You'll need this information when connecting OBS Blade. Now open OBS Blade on your phone. Tap to add a new connection, then enter your computer's local IP address, the same port from OBS, and the WebSocket password. Make sure both your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network before connecting. Tap Connect. If everything is correct, OBS Blade will connect to OBS Studio, and you'll see your available scenes, audio controls, recording options, and streaming controls. So yeah, you can now manage OBS remotely from your phone. If the connection doesn't work, double-check the IP address, password, and port. Also verify that the WebSocket server is enabled in OBS, both devices are on the same network, and your firewall isn't blocking the connection. And that's it. Your phone is now ready to control OBS Studio with OBS Blade. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.